Good morning, dear students. Today we will make a quick revision for primary 2. Okay, here we want to write the value of the money. We have 200, LE, 100, 50 and 10. I will count first the hundreds. I have 200 and 100 will be 300s. And I have 50, so 350. 350 plus 10, it will be 360 LE. Okay. Now we will talk about the money math. I have 789, and I want to put the hundreds alone, the tens and the units. I will start by units. The unit is the digit from this side. The first one is 9, so I have 9 LE. Then I have 8 in the tens, so I have 80 LE. And I have 700s, so I have 700 LE. Here I will not put the zeros. Okay, the next example I have 342. I have 2 LE. I have 4, so it's 40 LE and 300 LE. Okay, I will try to add them together. I have 3 digits plus 3 digits. I will start by the unit. The first digit here is 6, the unit is 6, and the unit here is 3, so 6 plus 3 is 9. Then I will go to the tens. I have 3 tens and 2 tens. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Then I will go to the hundreds. I have 1 and 5. 1 and 5 will be 6. Another example, I have 3 digits and 3 digits again. I will start by the unit. I have 3 units and 6 units. They will be 9. Then I have 6 tens and 5 tens. They are 11. I cannot put 2 digits in the same house, so I will write the unit, and the tens will go to the next house. 5 and 3 is 8, and the 1 we take from here, so it will be 9. Okay. Here I want to break the numbers. I have 743 LE minus 323. I will break the first number first. I have 743. The 100 is 7, so 740 and the 3 units. Minus 323. I will start by the 100. I have 320 and 3. Now I want to subtract them. I will start by the unit. 3 minus 3 is 0, and the 4 minus 2 is 2, and 7 minus 3 will be 4, so the total is 420. Okay, here we will talk about the odd and the even. I have number of 3 digits. How can I know it is even or odd? I will look at the unit. The unit here is 2, so this number is even. If the unit is even, so the number is even. It doesn't differ, it is 2 digit or 3 digit numbers or 1 digit. I look at the unit. Okay, the next one I have 87. I will look at the unit. The unit is 7, so it is odd number. Now I have 721. The unit is 1, so this number is odd number. Here I have 54. The unit is 4, so this number is an even number. Okay. Now I have 3. 3 is an odd number. I will try its double. The double of the 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. Is it even or odd? The 6 is even. Okay, now I have the 9. 9 is an odd number. The double of the 9 is 18. The unit of the 18 is 8. The 8 is an even number. So any double is an even number. Okay. Now we will talk about the array. I have array of 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 columns, and I have 1, 2, and 3 rows. We count the column from up to down, and the rows from left to right. So here I have how many columns? They are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My equation, I will count how many shapes in each column. Here I have in the first column 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so this array is 4 columns by 3 rows. So it is 4 by 3 array. Okay, now we want to round to the nearest 10. I have 255. Okay, where is my tens? My tens is the 5. I will look at its neighbor. If it is 5 or more, I will add 1 for the tens. So the neighbor or the unit is 5, so the tens will be added 1 more. So it will be 260. For sure my unit will be 0 because it is nearest tens. Okay, here I have 610. My tens is 1 and its neighbor is 0. If I have the unit 0, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, so the tens will remain as it is. So it will be 610. Okay, here we will try to round to the nearest 100. I have 856. Okay, my 100 is the 8. I will look at its neighbor, which is the tens. If the tens is 5 or more, so I will add 1 more for the 100. And beside the 100, I have 2 zeros. So it will be 900. Okay, here I have 750. My 100 is 7. And the tens is 5. If I have my tens 5 or more, so the 100 will be added 1 more. So it will be 800. Okay. Here we will try to subtract 3-digit numbers. Okay, I have to make my draft. I have 329 minus 179. I have to start by the unit. My unit is 9 minus 9 will be 0. 2 minus 7, I cannot subtract 2 minus 7. The 2 have to take 1 from its neighbor. Okay, it will take 1 from the 3. So the 2 will be 12 and the 3 will be 2. 12 minus 7 will be 5 and the 2 minus 1 will be 1. So my answer is 150. Okay, the next example. I have 263 plus 412. I will start by the unit. 3 and 2 is 5. 6 and 1 will be 7. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So my answer is 675. Okay. Now we will talk about the fractions. Okay. We have to count the total number of the parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So the number down is 4. Then I will count the shaded parts. I have 2 shaded parts, so it's 2 over 4. The colored parts over the total parts. Okay, now I have another shape. I have the total number of the parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the shaded parts are 1, 2, 3. So shaded parts over the total parts are 3 over 6. Okay, thank you.